Yeah, hello guys. In this video, we are going to use Talend software. With the help of Talend software, we will take one input database or data as an Excel sheet, and we will take that Excel sheet and we will store inside the database. We are going to use database as a postgres. So now let's start it. So पहले Talend software start कर लेते हैं. Now let's open Talend Open Studio. It's opening. From scratch we will see how we will take the excel sheet and we will store inside the database, okay, with the help of Talend. Let it be open. Yeah, now we can see that we step of we are going to create a new project. Okay, create new project, and project name you can give anything, just like I'm going to give a demo just for test purpose. Demo test, create. Okay, now finish. Yeah, now you can see that Talend is open. So now we are going to take the further step. Firstly, create a job where this is one platform where you are going to perform action. Give as a name anything, employee name, PDF, anything you can give. Okay, after that I think you can give anything name which are not already present. Finish. Okay, now it will take some time. Now we can see that this one employee job job design platform is created. So now we are going to take the input as an Excel sheet. So for that we have to go metadata, and you can here see the Excel sheet, file Excel, create file Excel, and from there and you can give a name of that Excel sheet. Give as a name table, data, demo, anything. Text purpose we are taking the simple text. Okay, no problem. Next, and from here you will import that Excel sheet, which Excel sheet you, whatever Excel you add, and take that Excel sheet. Okay, we have to select Excel sheet number 1 where this data is available. Okay, yeah, you can see that which Excel sheet we imported here. Now we are going to do next. Here we have to do the header and set here preview. Okay, so click here, stop, and now click distribute. Yeah, now you can see your data, how it will store in database. Okay, then do next. Now make it finish. Okay, so now you can check here your table date, demo test, whatever name you give for your Excel sheet, it is here. Okay, now we have to create one database connection. For that we have to create first database in the postgres. Let's create the database inside the database. This is the PG admin we took, so you can take a MySQL, SQL, whatever you have. I took the postgres, so create here database. I'm going to create a database which name is code with money. Okay, code with money. Save. I did save. Yeah, now you can see here is a database, and inside there is no table. Okay, because now we created these things, so there is no table. Okay, so now let's start. We create the database. Now we will connect that input with this database. Okay, now come to the Talend. Firstly we have to connect the database connection. Create. Here we can give a name of database connection, anything, demo, test, because we are doing just demo. Okay, give anything, no problem. Next. Okay, just wait 1 second. Okay, here we have to fill the connection. Which type I'm using a postgresSql. Okay, and my port number is 54321. It may be 5432 for you, but this is for me 54321. Okay, because while creating the postgres I give the port number 54321 and by default is 5432. Okay, so I'm going to use postgres. Okay, login postgres. Password is is different, your is different. Server we are using localhost. Yeah, now we have to give here the database name. Database name was the code with money, and that is login server pro localhost port number 54321. Database name is this. Okay, now finish. Yeah, now you can see demo test B is created. So now we can start it. So for that, firstly we have to take input. So you can see here T file input Excel I took from there, and if it is not showing here, so you have to search here T file input Excel, so it will show, and then you can drag and out and drop out. Okay, so now we want whatever we want, we will take from here. Firstly we want T file input Excel. Now we want T map also, so just take it from here and drop here. So firstly fix it. Component. So okay, firstly because whatever the Excel sheet we took from that all my system I store here, we will make it a connection. For then click repository, then click here, click here. Okay, mapping purpose. Then what I want next database. We also we will can search at DB output. Okay, and you can take it. You can take this. Okay, now make a connection. So here we have to make a connection with the database. Whatever the database connection, we make it here. Click here, then click here. What database you are using? PostgresSql. Apply. Okay, then we want repository. Okay, then go here. Take this. You can create a database we didn't create a table. If we can create a table manually also, and we if you don't want to create table manually, so no problem also. So now here you can give a table name. Which table name you want to give? Suppose anything I give EEE. Okay, so it will create a table with it. So here you can see check create table if doesn't exist, because it will create this type of table if it is in main with map row this. We have to do mapping. Okay. After clicking here, we have to make here and here connections with this. Okay. So first we have here. Here we have the name. What column name you want to give? Employee ID, EMP ID. You can give anything. Okay, and then what is the name? Is second one is name. You can change the name of column also, no problem. Here is the address. You can give here anything. Add, I give add, no problem. Address. And salary, I put a cell. You can give a full name also, same name also, no problem. and give it as a department as a deep. Okay, then you have to make a connection with both table, just like you can like that, make a connection, name. So it will take the data from this table to this table, from Excel sheet to database it will store. Okay, and make it employee ID as a primary key. Okay, then apply. Okay, now after this, it create a table or not. Click on schema and table. Yeah, 4 time table name is created. Now check here. Click table. Yeah. Let it be open now. Now you can see that from Excel sheet to from database you store the table inside the database, and you can see in Excel sheet table is like that, and we store this Excel sheet inside the database using the Talend. Okay, this was the simple example, and in next example we will take some little bit difficult table, and we will store inside the database. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel.